Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yarimughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide mega bundle of business and mobile app banner. Here you see we have packs of banner and mobile app banner. The first 5 pack of corporate banner and the next 5 pack of mobile app banner. Now you see it's divided into colors. For example, in blue you see all the banner in blue color, and in red you see all the banner in red color. Same to all. And in mobile app banner it's also divided into colors. For example, chocolate and green. For example, I open it. Now you see many layer in layer area. You can edit any layer according to your own choice. For example, in logo, if you want to change the color of this logo, simply double click on here and now change the color according to your own choice. And same like it, go to text and edit any text. Same in this layer and in this. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.